Yarnsensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnsensation, and I am so happy that you are here with me today. And what I wanted to share was this cute little flower that I learned to crochet, and this pattern is not my pattern, but it is very beautiful. Okay, so grab your favorite yarn color. I will be using I Love This Yarn. You're welcome to use your favorite brand. I have a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook that I will be using. You can try a smaller hook size or a larger hook size. Just remember, the larger the hook size, the larger that flower will be. The smaller the crochet hook, the smaller that flower will be. So once you have your tools, come on and let's get started. You will start with a slip knot. Chain 4. You want to join in that first chain. Chain 5. In this chain, we will be creating our petal. So you want to wrap your hook around your chain. Pull that yarn around and pull your hook through that first loop. And you will be repeating that process until you have a total of 12 loops on your hook. Okay, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we need one more. Okay, once you have your 12 loops on your hook, you can wiggle a little, and that will help with pulling this hook through. Grab your yarn and pull it through all loops on your hook. Next, you want to pull your working yarn tail to get it tight, and pull your working yarn through the loop. Okay, tighten once again. And you just want to go into the center of the circle that we created in the beginning. Pull that yarn through and just pull it through the next loop. And you just created your first petal. Okay, spin it back around. And this will be a repeat process until you have a total of 5 petals. So you want to chain 5 again. you have completed your 5 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just turn your work to the back. Pull your working yarn tail through that loop and fasten off. If you want to use your flower to tie onto a project, you can leave a small yarn tail. Pull that yarn through, tighten. And you can also close the center if you like by weaving in one of your yarn tails and just following this center, and it will tighten this opening for you. And just flatten out your petals, and you just created a beautiful little flower.